Hi everyone! Welcome to Math with Miss Fudge. Did you know you can break apart a big math problem into smaller ones and still get the same answer? That's distributive property. Let's multiply 6 and 37 using the distributive property. In the distributive property, we make use of two math operations, the times and the plus. So the first factor is 6. We break apart the second factor into tens and ones. 37 will be broken into 30 as the tens and 7 as the ones. Now we go ahead and multiply 6 times 30 plus 6 times 7. 6 times 30 gives us 180 plus 6 times 7 is 42. So 180 plus 42 gives us 222. 6 times 91. Keep the first factor and break apart the second factor into tens and ones, which is 90 plus 1. Multiply 6 times 90 and 6 times 1. 6 times 90 gives us 540 and 6 times 1 is 6. 540 plus 6 is 546. 5 times 12. Keep the first factor, which is 5. Break apart the second factor, which is 12, into tens and ones. It will be 10 plus 2. Now multiply. 5 times 10 plus 5 times 2. 5 times 10 is 50. 5 times 2 is 10. Add the two products. 50 plus 10 gives us 60. Now you know the secret to breaking big problems into easy pieces. If this helped, hit like, subscribe, and share this video with a friend. Until I come your way next time. Bye.